Good afternoon, students. Today I will teach you ascending and descending and we will revise today. Okay. So after this last topic is tens and ones. This is the last one. I will give video on ascending descending order because it is ascending descending also is tough for you. I have told you to watch my video. So children, today we will revise ascending and descending order. First we will do ascending order. Before doing the ascending order, we will write here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So meaning of this, why I have written, because it's easy for you then to recognize which number is bigger and which is smaller. Up to 1 to 10 only you write. Okay, because it's not possible to write up to 50, up to 100. There is a concept behind this. Yes, concept is there. So we will do it. We will first do ascending order. First I give you one question. Suppose two to 22, 17, 3, 14 and 36. We have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. And ascending order means, children, ascending order means smaller number to bigger number. And in when we are going forwardly counting, when we are counting forward counting we are doing, that was also smaller number to bigger number. As we go forward, the number become big. So this thing you keep in mind, that when we are doing the forward counting, that is of a smaller number to bigger number. So we have to arrange in ascending order this, and ascending order means smaller number to bigger number. Okay, so let's see. Let's see here 22, 17, 14, 36. Out of this, 3 is the smallest one. Why? Because 3 is a single digit number and 22, 14, 36, 17 all are 2 digit number. Only 3 is 1 digit number. So children, write it here 3, because we are going smaller number to bigger number. The next smaller number, how we can recognize? We have to find that, we have to see the tens place number. We will see the tens place number. Here it is 2, here it is 1, here it is 1, here it is 3. So, when we are counting forwardly, 1 will come first. 1 will come first. First 1 will come. So, here 2 place 1 is there. Here also 1, 7, 17, 1, 4, 14. Between them, which number is smaller one? We can't say 17 is smaller, 14 is smaller, because tens place number is same. So we will go to ones place number. We will go to ones place number. Here is 7 and here it is 4. So when we are counting forwardly, 4 will come first. 4 will come first. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is smaller than 7. 4 is smaller than 7. So we will write number. The next number will be 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. The next will be 1, 7, 17. And whenever you are writing the numbers, you will cut here. Otherwise, you will confuse here. You will confuse here. So, write, whenever you are writing the numbers here, you will cut the number here. Okay. Now, you see 2 to 22 and 3 6. Between them, which is the smaller one? You will see the tens place number 2 and 3. When we are counting the forwardly when we are counting the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 2 will come first. So 2 is the smaller one and 3 is bigger than 2. So we will write here number 2 to 22. Then 3, 6, 36. So I have arranged this one according to the ascending order. Ascending order means smaller number to bigger number. See children, here it is 18, 20, 10, 5, 40. Now we will arrange this number in ascending order. So 5 is the smaller one because 5 is one digit number. So between them 5 is the smaller one. So we will write here 5. After 5, here see 1, 2, 1, 4. So we will see the tens place number. Here it is 1, here it is 2, here it is 1, here it is 4. See here it is 1, 8, 18 and one place number is same. Once means tens place number is same. So we will go to ones place number. Here it is 8 and here it is 0. When we are counting the numbers forwardly, when we do the number forward counting, we will first 0 will come first. So 0 is the smaller one. So 1, 0, 10 is the smaller than 1, 8, 18. So 1, 0, 10 will come first. So we will write it here 1, 0, 10. Then we will write 1, 8, 18. After that, the number left 2, 0, 20 and 4, 0, 40. 2 and 4. 2 is the smaller one and 4 is the bigger one. I am saying when you see the tens place number, when we are counting the numbers, 1, 2, 2 will come first, then comes 4. So 2 is the naturally smaller one and 4 is the bigger one. So 2, 0, 20 will come the next number and after that 4, 0, 40. I am cutting late, but when you are doing, you will cut and write the number. Now see the descending order. Okay. 24, 40, 16, 9. This is 1, 7, 17. Out of this, 9 is the smallest one because 9 is a one digit number. Okay. And both 24, 14, 16, 17 all are two digit number. So we will not confuse now. We will go to tens place number. And here descending order means bigger number to smaller number. Bigger number to smaller number. So children, when we are going backwardly, backward counting, when we are doing the backward counting, 10, 9, 8, 7 like this when we are doing. When we are doing forward counting, it is smaller to bigger. But when we are doing the backward counting, it is bigger number to smaller number. So we will count the numbers backwards, from backward side. Okay. So we will see the tens place number here. Here it is 2, here it is 4, it is 1, it is 1. Okay. When we are counting the number from back side, which number is come first? 1, 9, 10, read this. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So 4 is here. 4 is coming first. So 4 zeros 40 is the bigger number. Okay. After 4040, you see here 2, 4, 24, 16, 2, you see, when we are counting the back, 2 will come first. So 2, 4 is the next one. Now you will see 1, 6, 16 and 1, 7, 7, 17 between them. Which is the bigger one? How you will understand? You see tens place number is same. Now you will go to ones place number. Here it is 6, here it is 7. So when we are counting the numbers from back side, 7 will come first. 7 will come first. So we will write 1, 7, 17 is the next bigger. After that 1, 6, 16 will come. And the next one is 9. Okay, like this you will do it. One more question you see, I have written. Okay. Between 50, 40, 10, 20, 6 is the smallest one. So we will write afterwards because it is a one digit number. See here 5, 4, 1, 2. So see the tens place number here. When you are counting from back side 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 will come first. So 5 0 50 is the bigger one. After that 5, 4 will come. So next is the 4 0 40. After that 3, 2, 3, 2. 2 will come. So 2 0 20. Then 1 0 10. Then here 6. Okay. Children, this way you will do the ascending and descending order. This is the last one. And after ascending and descending order, the one more topic is left is tens and one concept. Tens and one concept you know, but you have to do now. Okay. So that's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.